Who's there? Mailman Gordon.
Mailman Gordon.
How you doing?
I'm great.
Hey, I'm sorry my hand's so cold. It's winter out.
Yeah, it's freezing. That's okay though. I got some mail. I wonder what it could be.
I don't know. Let me.
It could be anything. Yeah.
Mailman Gordon, everybody.
Hey, thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Yeah,
have a good day.
Mailman
Stay warm.
Gordon.
Let's see what he brought us here. Viewer mail. I love this stuff. All right, so our first question is from Coordinator Cam. We don't have internal IT resources at our company. We use an external firm, which a lot of our clients do, and they want to know what they're going to need to do on a daily basis to help maintain our CRM instance. Can you please shed light on what their role may be? Yeah, that's great. Great news for your budget is your IT firm really won't be needed that often because with Microsoft Dynamics 365 for sales and for services, everything is done in the cloud. So Microsoft is responsible for doing daily backups. They will even do your upgrades for you, so you won't need to hire consulting firms to help you out. You'll schedule your upgrades and they'll take care of it for you. And they will also maintain the server, which houses the database and the software. Your IT firm might be responsible for things like installing the Outlook plugins or other add-ons for your CRM, but for the most part, it's going to be pretty minimal. All right, great question. Second question is from 24/7 Evan. Evan writes, we love that CRM can handle customer service issues, and we will use this feature in CRM, but we probably don't need it from the start. Is it a good idea to use CRM minimally at first, or should we do everything at the start? So we get this question a lot. So the question is should I just start CRM from a very specific functional standpoint, or should I try to get everyone on CRM at once? We're big fans of crawl, walk, run. So start with the simplest thing. Don't bite off more than you can chew. Just do the basics at first. So if you're a sales dependent organization and you're getting CRM to help in your sales department, start there and then ease the service team in over the long haul. Or if you're a service dependent organization, you're getting CRM to help with your customer service issues, start with customer service, then bring sales in. Start small, build up some success, and then bring others into the CRM usage. That'll be the most successful approach for you. We've done this over and over. It works great. All right, good luck, Evan. If you have questions, give us a call and we can walk through our proven methodology with you and show you how that works. The last question comes from May the Force. Our management team has decided they no longer want to use our current CRM and we're switching over to Dynamics full-time within the next 90 days. Is there a way to get our data from the old system to the Dynamics without doing a full data conversion project? We've had several quotes and they all fall outside of our budget. So this is also becoming a frequent question. We get a lot of customers coming to us from Salesforce, for example, that want to kind of go to a better fit CRM. And one of the things that you can do is where data conversions become costly is when people try to convert all of their data. If you want to do a really low cost, kind of minimal approach, just bring over the companies and the contact details. For most systems out there, most of the common systems, there's already a mapping in place for Dynamics 365, so you can just convert those over pretty easily. Just export the data from your current system and then just use this data map to import them into Dynamics 365. It's pretty low cost and it's pretty easy to do. We can obviously help you out with that. If you want to do a full data conversion, there is going to be a cost, unfortunately, because a lot of those entities need to be mapped, they need to be there needs to be a trial data conversion and there needs to be cleaned up. So if you want to do it on a budget, just start with the company and the contact details and that should get you what you need. Okay, that's it for today's mailbag.